Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do the slime video.
This is going to be a review on the
Mommy,
Nickelodeon Slime.
Mom, come on, you're
Slime Super Pack.
Okay, but Mom, you're never going to video.
I'm not supposed to be in the video.
Why?
I'm a secret guest.
No.
Okay, listen. We're reviewing this. Are you guys ready? Alright. Here goes. We're going to have to get something to pour the bottle of glue and mix with the solution. Can you open this?
Sure. Yes.
Open the box. Open the box.
And there's another one right here, Mom. And Mommy, there's another one here, guest. Mom, can you please help me? Find out the special guest. Mom, we're gonna add the special guest to work.
We got a mixing bowl, a large mixing bowl, and a spoon to mix with. And we have a container.
Yep.
You okay?
Yeah.
Your eye hurts, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and you have this.
Yeah, and you can make it gray and pink.
Here it is. We got this at Walmart for about $20.
Yeah, $20.
And it's Cra-Z-art.
And Mommy, in the next video, I'm gonna be the guest, and you're gonna sit here.
That is totally fine. Deal.
And guys, comment down below and put in the lip subscriber. And it's me and our new guest. And make sure to like that button and put it in the comments and watch.
And keep up to date with everything.
Her, my guest. So go in the video of her, and she will show you video.
And this little thing. And that's all that came in there, just like it said in the box. Okay, so, unlike the other boxes that I've seen, it doesn't have the instructions in the front, so that kind of makes it hard, especially when it's just this, kids don't read this type of material when they see this content. Okay, so pour 1 bottle of glue into a large bowl. First, 1 bottle of glue.
What's this one?
This is not glue. This is the washable clear. Oh, this is... So, 1 bottle of glue. Is this glue too?
No, it's not.
That's so weird. Oh, and this is the slime activator. Okay.
Okay, but this is...
Okay, so you want to pour one of those in there?
I think I want to put this.
Measure 3/4 of a cup of water into a measuring cup. So we're pouring, what the? That's a lot more. Okay, so we're going to pour this in here. You ready?
Okay, Mommy, can I do it?
We're going to be pouring the clear slime glue in first. Here it goes.
Let's put a lot in there.
Got it?
Yeah, how do you...
Keep pouring it.
Mom, how do you get that?
A picture. Is that all of it?
Yep.
Good job. Do you know where the top is?
Top.
Here's the
Right
cup.
here.
I'm just gonna hold it here, yeah. How about you get started on this one?
Okay.
Well, let's do the pink one.
No, we have to do this one. Is it clear? I mean, is it clear?
Want to do the clear?
No. How about we do the... Now, can we do the next one?
Okay.
I'm just gonna add tickets. Another one.
It's gonna take longer. I'll show you.
And this
So even though there is gonna be some still stuck in it, we're just gonna move on.
Yeah.
Good job, Sophia.
That's just the song, guys.
Alright, Sully. How about the pink?
Not clear.
That's the activator.
Activate.
We don't want to activate it until we have that. We want to add it all together so we can mix it.
Okay, Monkey. Mom.
Hold on, honey.
And I'm gonna pour it in this.
This is last. With this color. Alright, so here's the pink Nickelodeon Slime washable glitter glue. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the cap. Good job, Sophia. Is it hard to squeeze out? No? How old are you, Sophia? 5. Sophia's birthday was April 12th. Huh, Sophia? Friday.
Yeah. And the next birthday,
Last Friday.
guys, and make sure to come in the comments and watch my birthday.
Yeah, you're gonna have a birthday party at Daddy's?
Yep. And the Easter time, and come to my video and lots of videos. But George wants to always want to play. So George can't come in this because she always plays.
You just want to hold it here.
Get it. Now, is it time for clear? And is it time for...
Not yet. It's time for you to mix it. Get the...
That's good. Can we mix it?
Yeah. Whoa. We gotta show them.
Hey everybody, Daniel and Alejandro from Voice Out.
This is so hard.
This is our good friend,
Keep mixing.
She's an amazing talent.
First.
These guys were my vocal coaches on X Factor, actually.
Fun fact.
I think we can add.
No, we have to still mix.